Hi, I'm Didi Caldwell, the Factory Whisperer. Each year, our team at Global Location Strategies ranks the best U.S. metros for food manufacturing based on cost, quality, and industry momentum. Today, we're heading to the West South Central region where affordability meets agricultural strength. Covering 46 metros across Arkansas, Louisiana, Oklahoma, and Texas, this region is a rising force in manufacturing. It boasts the second lowest average operating cost in the country, thanks to the lowest average labor and utility costs nationwide. And it's not just affordable, it's growing. The region attracted 11% of all U.S. food manufacturing projects in 2023 and 2024. It's also a magnet for domestic investment, with 94% of those projects backed by U.S. companies. Now, let's count down the top 5 metros in the West-South Central region for food manufacturing. Number 5, Amarillo, Texas kicks off our list by offering a competitive operating cost and strategic access to regional markets. Its central location and strong agricultural base make it a solid choice for food processors. Number 4, Fayetteville, Springdale, Rogers, Arkansas. This fast-growing metro is home to major food industry players and benefits from a strong supply chain network, a skilled workforce, and proximity to key agricultural resources. At number 3, Tulsa, Oklahoma. Ranked 28th nationally, Tulsa climbed 26 spots this year, thanks to a stronger industry ecosystem, improved logistics, and one of the lowest corporate tax rates in the region. It's becoming a hub for food manufacturing investment. Number 2, Fort Smith, Arkansas, and also partially in Oklahoma. Ranked 17th, Fort Smith made one of the biggest leaps in the country, up 125 places. It saw improvements across nearly every category, from logistics and workforce to quality of life. It also boasts the second lowest industrial lease rates in the region. And number 1, not surprisingly, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. And taking the top spot, just like their basketball team, Oklahoma City ranks number 1 in the region and 13th nationally. A 63% drop in natural gas prices helped drive down utility costs, while improvements in road and bridge infrastructure boosted its logistics score. It also had the lowest electricity rate in the region and strong demographic fundamentals. Beyond the rankings, Dallas-Fort Worth earned the region's highest quality score, driven by strong logistics, workforce, and education metrics. And Monroe, Louisiana delivered the lowest operating cost, making both metros key players in the region's food manufacturing landscape. The West-South Central region also led the nation in food manufacturing projects in grains and oilseed and fruits and vegetables and specialty foods, highlighting its agricultural depth and processing capacity. From field to factory to fork, the West-South Central region is feeding the future. If you'd like to learn more about our assessment of this region or any other U.S. region, be sure to download our report and check out our other videos where I highlight the best metros across the U.S. for food manufacturing. I'm Didi Caldwell. Until next time.